Are you looking for a travel trailer with a bunkhouse? Well, we found some really cool designs you're not going to want to miss. Hi guys, Mike from RVBlogger here in front of the camera, and Susan's behind the camera. Today we're taking a look at travel trailers with bunkhouses in them. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, welcome aboard. We make tons of YouTube videos all about RVing, and we also have our website, RVblogger.com, where we have hundreds of helpful articles all about RVing as well. Today we're going to be taking a look at travel trailers with bunkhouses in them, and it's a perfect scenario if you have kids and you need all the extra sleeping space and all that stuff. We found some amazing designs that we're going to show you today, so let's get started with our reviews right now. This travel trailer with a bunkhouse is a Grand Design Transcend 32 BHS model. It's about 7,700 pounds and 37 feet long. It's a pretty big travel trailer, but Grand Design does a nice job, and I think they did a nice job on this one too. The bunkhouse in here can hold 4 kids really rather easily, and it's got tons of storage down below as well. And another nice feature about the bunkhouse is that it's got a half bath located right next to it. So just outside of the bunkhouse, you have the main living area, which includes this entertainment center area, TV, radio, lots more storage down below. And then directly across from that, you have this nice comfy couch, which also pulls out and becomes a sofa bed, so you have extra sleeping in this area as well. And then next to the main living area, we roll right into the kitchen and dinette area. We have our fridge and freezer, 3-burner range, microwave, nice big sink with a gooseneck faucet. Right across from that, we have our dinette table, which also becomes a bed as well, so someone else can sleep here too. This particular floor plan has got a giant bathroom setup. The only thing I don't like about it is you have to walk through the bathroom to get to the master bedroom. But the bathroom is so huge, and there's another half bath by the bunkhouse for the kids, so it's really not such a bad design. Inside the shower, plenty of headroom. You know, I've got probably a good 5-6 inches over my head, but it's a great sized bathroom right off the master bedroom. The owner's bedroom comes with a residential queen size bed, which is a nice feature. Plenty of storage on both sides of the bed as well. And then another really great feature about the bedroom is that it's got its own exit and entrance from the outside. So we're in a Dutchmen Kodiak Ultralight 296 bunkhouse travel trailer. This thing weighs about 6,000 pounds and it's about 34 feet long. This bunkhouse though is a really good size. I mean, it shoots back this way across the back of the RV, and it has 2 good sized bunks. Also storage underneath, which is really, really nice. It's also got some storage on this side as well. And the one feature I like about this bunkhouse is you can close the door and then lock the kids in there all week. No, you won't want to do that. But anyway, you can close the door. So pretty nice setup for the bunkhouse. So the Kodiak Ultralight also has a nice living room area separate from the kitchen, or contiguous with the kitchen, I should say. It's got a decent sized sofa here, and then of course you have your entertainment center right across from you. No fireplace in this model, but you know, as far as I'm concerned, you're going to make a campfire outside anyway. You don't need a fireplace inside your RV, but some people really like that. The kitchen area is really nice and big, and everything is right in one spot in this kitchen, which is nice. A lot of the models we're seeing have the refrigerator across from the kitchen, but in this particular model, everything is right here for you. You have your 3-burner range, U-shaped kitchen. I like the fact that you can get to the kitchen countertop from both sides, which makes everything usable. And then, of course, good size fridge in this particular model. So I really, really like the layout of this a lot. And then it's got a U-shaped dinette area, which is pretty spacious as well. And all of this slides out. The whole dinette and the sofa behind me all slide out to make everything nice and wide and big in here. So really, really a good use of space and a good size space for a larger family. This particular travel trailer can sleep 6 to 8 people. So here I am in the shower in the bathroom, and you know, okay on the headspace, not really great. I'm 5'11". There's about 3 inches over my head. But as far as the size of the shower goes, width-wise, pretty decent sized shower. The commode area is pretty spacious, and then you have a nice little vanity, a little extra storage, a little bit of storage underneath the vanity as well, and then it's got a medicine cabinet. Now, the only thing I'm not a big fan of, but I know some people are, is the fact that in order to get to the master bedroom, you have to walk through the bathroom. So if somebody's in the bathroom and you're out in the living room area and you want to get to your bedroom, you just have to wait for them to finish in the bathroom. That's all. But it's not a layout that I particularly like. But anyway, it works. The bedroom itself is a decent size. It's got plenty of storage space as well, overhead and next to the bed. This has a short queen in it, not a full-size queen, but you know, plenty of room. And then of course, it's got a pocket door to close you off in here. Pretty cool RV with a bunkhouse by Dutchmen. This particular travel trailer is the Forest River Wildwood. And this model weighs about 8,500 pounds. It's 36 feet 6 inches long, but the coolest feature of all is it has this massive bunk room. The whole entire back of the RV is set up so that 3 people can sleep back here. And you can also use this room for other purposes as well. Everything folds up, and I'll show you. You can't fold it up with the mattresses on it, unfortunately, but they're pretty light. Just throw them up here. But you can fold this bed away, and you can fold this I'm being attacked away as well. And now you can use this couch. So you could really use this room for an office, kids' playroom. Certainly it's going to serve well for a bunkhouse room. If you homeschool your kids, whatever, you have this whole separate room back here, which is really pretty awesome, we think. Just outside of the bunkhouse, we have a full bathroom, and this full bathroom actually has a bathtub as well as the shower. Decent, you know, ceiling height. Again, I'm about 5'11". There's about 3 inches over my head, so if you're 6'2" or under, you'll fit in here just fine. And then the rest of the bathroom has nice vanity with storage, commode, and then a nice medicine cabinet that opens up as well. So one other thing we really like about this travel trailer is just the size of it. It feels so big in here. You have a huge dinette area with a nice sofa next to it. The material is very, very nice looking. You've got these 2 gigantic picture windows that you can see outside of your RV. Now, we're at the RV show, so we're just seeing an RV right next door that's really close. But you can imagine what it would look like with all this light from these gigantic picture windows. So really fantastic. And both of these, the dinette booth and the sofa, fold out into full-size beds as well. So there's 2 more spots for people to sleep. Then you have your kitchen area, which is a really nice sized kitchen. It's got a double bowl deep sink, gooseneck faucet. In addition, it's got a 3-burner range, stove, and then of course you have your fridge over here. The entertainment area is at the front of the trailer as well, and you can see it from the dinette or from the sofa area. Obviously there would be a TV here, and then of course it has a fireplace down below, which we're seeing more and more and more in all of these travel trailers that are out there. The owner's bedroom is a pretty nice size. It does have a short queen in it, has storage on both sides and over top of the bed, and it has this really unusual feature where there's like a hole right here so you can reach into your storage cabinet more easily. But all in all, this is a very large travel trailer, plenty of space, easily could sleep 8 or 9 people, and we think this is a really fantastic travel trailer. This travel trailer is a Venture RV Sporttrek touring model, and it weighs about 8,300 pounds, and it's about 39 feet long. It's a big travel trailer, but it has this huge bunk room in the back. Can sleep 4 people back here, tons of storage underneath of this bunk. And on this side, it actually has a jackknife sofa, and you can lift up this bunk and sit on the sofa back here as well. So pretty neat bunkhouse setup in this particular model. And then next to the bunkhouse, it has a half bath and a separate door to the outside as well, which we think is a pretty cool feature. That way the kids can come in, use the bathroom, not have to run through the whole entire travel trailer. So pretty cool feature to have this extra half bath as well. Kitchen area is pretty nice. The cabinetry in here that they use is very upscale. Countertops are upscale as well. And this has a really nice big single bowl sink, gooseneck faucet, which we're seeing more and more. 3-burner range, microwave, fridge, really nice setup. I really like these countertops where you can reach the countertop from either side. I just think you can really get the maximum use out of your countertop that way. In addition, we have our dinette right across from the kitchen. This will convert into a bed as well. Nice big picture window above, so you get plenty of light in here. And then you have your living area. Nice size couch, which also converts into a bed. And then right across from the couch, you have your entertainment center, TV, a little bit of storage, and of course you have your fireplace. Of all the travel trailers that we've been in so far, we really like this bedroom setup the best. It has a slide out so that the short queen bed fits in there really nicely. But then you have this whole entire storage area. And then the best part, I think, is this entertainment center, which really just gives you more storage, and you have a beautiful fireplace right in your bedroom. So there's a full bathroom that you can access from the master bedroom. Nice vanity, medicine cabinet, good size shower. And the height inside of this travel trailer is really great. Like I've mentioned in earlier video shots, I'm 5'11", so you could be pretty tall and fit in here very, very easily. And actually, this bathroom has double entrances, so you can come in from the bedroom area, which you saw me in earlier, or you can come in from the main living area into the bathroom as well. Very, very accessible. Hey guys, let us know which travel trailer you liked best by leaving us a comment down below. Also, let us know if you happen to have a travel trailer with a bunkhouse that you think is fantastic. Maybe we'll make a YouTube video about that model one day as well. We'd love to check it out. Speaking of check it out, if you'd like to check out one of our videos, just click right here. And don't forget, at the end of the video, leave us a thumbs up. It lets us know how we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified every week when we put out a new video. So for Mike and Susan, we'll see you next time.